Hello and welcome. My name is Megan Pathon. I'm the head athletic trainer from Norway High School, and today I'll be discussing the Norfolk Public Schools' safe return to athletics with the COVID-19 virus. First, we'll discuss the symptoms of COVID-19 and how to recognize it. Symptoms include cough, fever, chills, muscle pain, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, sore throat, new loss of taste or smell. Symptoms can range from mild to severe illness and appear 2 to 14 days after you are exposed to the virus that causes COVID-19. Next, we'll discuss stopping the spread of COVID-19. To prevent spreading COVID-19, we must stay at least 6 to 10 feet away from other people. Cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue, then throw the tissue in the trash and wash your hands. When in public, wear a cloth face covering over your nose and mouth. Do not touch your eyes, nose, and mouth. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Stay home when you are sick, except to get medical care. Wash your hands often with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds. Norfolk Public Schools Athletics has created a safe return to sport for students and staff. Coaches, students, and staff will be required to complete a daily sign and symptom screening that they will log on and do from their homes. Daily temperature checks. A designated staff member will take this reading prior to entering the facility for practice or conditioning. It must be below 100.4. Attendance. Coaches are responsible for keeping and reporting attendance, masks, and face coverings. These must always be worn by all staff and student athletes upon entering. Social distancing. Arrival. Everyone must stay 6 feet apart. During workouts, everyone must stay 10 feet apart at all times. There shall be no handshakes, high fives, or hugging at any time. Equipment sharing. All equipment being utilized by multiple participants will be cleaned and sanitized between each use. The use of individual equipment will be encouraged. These guidelines may be modified in line with the current phase of VHSL recommendations. Water bottles. Each athlete should bring their own to use at workouts. Cleaning and disinfecting procedures. Norfolk Public Schools custodial staff will clean prior to and after use. Coaching staff will assist with cleaning high-touch areas such as equipment, balls, all hard surfaces, weight room equipment after each use. Wipes and disinfectant solutions will be available at all workouts. Hand washing. 20 seconds when washing your hands. Hand sanitizer will also be available at various stations. Athletes must wash their workout clothes immediately upon return to home. Our Norfolk Public Schools Safe Return to Sports Transportation Plan is as follows. Norfolk Public Schools is currently reviewing the use of school bus transportation to and from school. Students that drive. They must complete a Norfolk Public Schools driver verification form. Athletic directors must have a current list of all drivers. Parents that drop off. There will be a designated drop-off and pickup location at all facilities. Parents must not leave the area until after their student has successfully checked in. Parents may also not be present at practice. What will happen if a student is flagged during a screening? You will not be allowed to enter or come to the facility. Contact your primary care provider or other healthcare professional. A 14-day quarantine will be mandated and/or a physician's note for clearance for return. Other athletic items. Physicals. All athletes must have a valid physical dated after May 1st, 2020. Concussion education. All athletes will need to complete the concussion education form via the video on the Norfolk Public Schools Athletics website. And lastly, be kind to your mind. Tips to cope with stress during COVID-19 include pausing, breathing, noticing how you feel. Take breaks from COVID-19 content. Make time to sleep and exercise. Reach out and stay connected. And lastly, seek help if overwhelmed or unsafe. Thank you for watching. After reviewing the COVID-19 information in this video, please review and sign with your parent or guardian the COVID informational sheet, which will appear after this video. Return it to your coach, athletic director, or athletic trainer. Thank you.